Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to air dribble in Rocket League beginner tutorial. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go into free play mode. Over here, make sure you're using the right car. Two common options are Octane and Dominus. After that, practice your boost management. Over here, learn how to control your boost with short bursts instead of holding it down constantly. Then start practicing the technique. Over here, begin with the initial touch, hit the ball with the nose of your car while going airborne. After that, position the ball on top of your car by making slight adjustments to keep it balanced. Then maintain a proper distance between your car and the ball to keep control. After that, feather your boost to keep both your car and the ball stable in the air. Then move on to advanced tips. Over here, practice reading how the ball bounces off surfaces. After that, work on wall aerials to help you transition from the wall into an air dribble more smoothly. So that's basically how you can air dribble in Rocket League beginner tutorial. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.